Congaloosh Adventures, this is Stacy for TMR Tours, and today we're talking about 6 things to try at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge right now in Disneyland in Anaheim, California. We won't be talking about Star Wars in Orlando because it doesn't open until the end of August. And if you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of future videos. First up on our things to do is the Droid Depot. Now once you're inside here, you can build your own droid. Most of them are in the fashion of BB units or R2 units, but there's plenty of colors and different options for you to mix and match and create your own custom droid. The Droid Depot is heavily themed and really sets the mood, but it doesn't stop there. Number 2 on our list is the merchandise shops. Now, a lot of things in here are for sale, but it's the things that aren't for sale that you want to look at. There's creatures and costuming, all kinds of things to check out. You can even get yourself a fuzzy porg to take home, or a shoulder creature just like you would see in Pandora in Orlando. The thing that TMR really enjoyed was the adult clothing that's on theme, so cosplayers, be ready to start your own Star Wars adventure. Next up, let's talk about the premier merchandise at Galaxy's Edge. We're going to head over to Savvy's workshop, where you can build your own lightsaber. You start by choosing a kyber crystal. This sets the path that your hilt will take. You assemble the saber yourself with some help of the trained Jedi. Once it's ready to go, you have your own custom lightsaber. It's made of metal and ready for sparring, complete with interactive lights and sound. Now that we've got our custom gear, let's get some drinks. Number 4 on our list of things to do is heading over to the milk stand where you can get the famous blue and green Bantha milk. Now, it's not just milk in a glass, it is actually more of a blended drink, kind of like a milkshake, so it's going to be great for those hot days. If Bantha milk isn't your thing and you want something a little bit stronger, number 5 on our list is Oga's Canteen. Here you can enjoy some intergalactic libations as well as some live entertainment from DJ R3X. They have adult beverages as well as some non-alcoholic ones that you can enjoy here, as well as some pub food. Now the real star of the show is that DJ R3X, who is the original pilot from Star Tours. There are tons of drinks here that the whole family can enjoy at Oga's Canteen. Last up on the list is number 6, Smuggler's Run. This is the ride where you can actually pilot the Millennium Falcon with your friends. This is a simulator-style ride where you control your flight path, so every time you're on it, it's a different experience. It's sure to create lots of memories for you, your friends, and your family. This was just a portion of the things that you can do at Galaxy's Edge in Disneyland in Anaheim, California. There's a whole nother ride that still has yet to open, and they're going to open a whole nother land in Walt Disney World in Orlando. If you're as excited about this as we are, drop us a comment below about what you want to see. Also, leave us a comment of, "May the Force be with you." Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Leave them in the comments below.
Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when future videos are posted.
Stay connected on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to check out our blog on tmr-tours.com.
We'll see you on another adventure.
Congaloosh.